Hey, what's up everybody? This is Tom with CYBERTRUCKco, and today we're going to show you how to install our locking aluminum wheel hubcaps. If you want your bulletproof Cybertruck to be even more bulletproof against theft, these are the way to go. They're made from aircraft grade aluminum, and they're patent pending, designed in America, perfect for preventing theft. Let's do it, let's get them installed. So when installing this, what tools are we going to need? It comes with our inner locking ring adapter here. And this is going to go from the inner locking ring, as you can see right there, out to a socket size. And that socket size is a 21mm socket. So you just need to have a 21mm socket or wrench, preferably a socket. It's a little bit easier with that. You don't need anything big, you don't need a torque wrench technically, like I said, not a lot of torque, just about 2 foot-pounds maybe, just past hand tight, alright? And then the other thing you're going to need is some anti-seize. You can get little tiny bottles of this, or you can get these big bottles that come with a nice brush. You don't need to put a lot on there, just enough to have it on the thread so it doesn't get locked, because if you do not use anti-seize, this inner locking ring is not coming back out, alright? And, just clean up things, rag, and some isopropyl alcohol, because anti-seize gets everywhere. That's it. Not many tools are needed for this thing. Alright guys, so let's first take a look at what you get in the box when you receive one of CYBERTRUCKco's aluminum locking wheel cap here. So, first off, we of course have the locking unit. This is going to go right onto the wheel and prevent anybody from taking off your lug nuts and stealing your wheels, which would be impressive on a Cybertruck to begin with. Second, you get your locking inner cap. This is going to screw into the center, and yes, we do include a tool to help you make sure to install it correctly, because it's kind of a large inner diameter there. Alright, so first steps are, you're going to take your CYBERTRUCKco aluminum locking ring here, your Septagon, and you're going to throw it on. It's just going to slide right in. All you have to do is line up with this inner ring here, with these little grooves here. You're just going to slide that right in until it clicks. Now it's nice, seated. It's not going to come out. As you can see, I'm pulling on that. But when it does need to come out, there you go. So if you ever need to change your wheels, you are not stuck. It will still come off if you need it to. Second, you're going to take your inner locking ring here, and you're going to take your anti-seize. This stuff goes everywhere. So it's kind of nice to use one with a brush, but if you're on a budget, you can always just get a little bit. Just don't go crazy on it. It just needs enough that it's not going to seize up. So you're just going to go like this, just a little bit on the threads here, all the way around. Careful not to let it get everywhere. There we go. You're just going to slide that in. We're going to clean off all the excess anti-seize from the outside here so it looks good, as well as off my fingers, because like I said, anti-seize, it just goes everywhere. Take your tool here, comes with the kit, just slide that into the center, and like I said, you're not going to put a lot of torque on this. You don't need a big wrench, just maybe 2 foot-pounds. There we go. Pop our tool back out, just like that. Voila! Alright guys, so that's as easy as it gets. You just slide that thing in, pops in, locks into place. You just put some anti-seize on there, put in the center lock, and voila, your wheels are now just as bulletproof as the rest of the car. Safe from thieves, safe from everybody else, looks great. So, buy our CYBERTRUCKco aluminum locking center caps today.